According to WordFence, the average WordPress website is attacked once every 23 minutes. In addition, every WordPress update, theme update, plugin update can mess up your website and make it inaccessible. That's why it's so important to take regular backups of your WordPress website. It's very easy to do using a plugin like the free UpdraftPlus plugin. In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up UpdraftPlus plugin with the best configuration for your WordPress website. I'll also show you how to take the backups and restore it so you can get your WordPress website back working again. UpdraftPlus is the WordPress backup plugin with the free and premium version. It's a reliable WordPress backup plugin and it's been available for quite a long time now. If you have any problem with your WordPress website, such as it got hacked or it got issues that messed up the database, or it's a plugin or theme update that cause issues, or suppose you want to migrate your WordPress website to another hosting. So in all those cases, using such a plugin can come in handy for you. Let's look at installing and setting up the UpdraftPlus backup plugin. In WordPress, when you go to plugin, search for UpdraftPlus. This is the UpdraftPlus plugin. Install and activate it. Activate the plugin. To set up the plugin, go to settings, UpdraftPlus backup. So this backup and restore is where you can create your manual backups. You'll also see your existing backups over here. I would suggest you always take a manual backup before updating any of your WordPress themes plugins. Click the backup now and it will start a manual backup. When you're taking the manual backup, include your database, include your files. You want all of your files to be present in the backup. Click backup now. So now it's taking a manual backup. This will take a few minutes. This depends on how large your actual WordPress website is, how much content is actually present on your WordPress website. And this backup will include all of your database, all of your themes, plugins, and now your backup is ready. You'll see the backup is created here, the backup date of March 29, which is today. Then you have the backup data. So in backup, the database, plugins, themes, uploads, and any other files. Now taking manual backups is good, but one of the best features of UpdraftPlus is to have scheduled backup. What this means is every day, every week as you schedule it, it will automatically take a backup. This is good because suddenly something happens to your website, you always have a backup with the latest version of your website available. Let's see how to schedule backups. So go to settings. We want this file backup schedule and database backup schedule. I set it to daily because I want a daily backup and retain this many scheduled backups. So I keep 2 backup copies. You can keep how many you want. Now this will start creating backups on your server itself, but it's not a good thing to only keep backups on your server, because if something messes up the server, the backups also will have issues. That's why it's good to have some remote storage or cloud storage such as Google Drive, where you push these backups automatically. I use Google Drive and that is what is available in the free version of UpdraftPlus. You set it up once and all your automatically scheduled backups keep getting uploaded to Google Drive. To do that, select the Google Drive option in choose your remote storage. Here it will show you the Google Drive folder it will create. You will have to authenticate with Google the first time so it can actually access your Google Drive and push the files. You sign in with your Google account. You will have to give access to UpdraftPlus to see and download all your Google Drive files and to edit, create, delete. For basic access you need to provide, hit allow. We come at this screen. It is important to complete the setup with this complete setup button so that it configures the Google Drive correctly. Click complete setup. Now your Google Drive account has been set up and authenticated. Go back to settings and click save changes. Now we have scheduled daily backup. 2 copies will be retained of the backup. The auto backups will be sent to Google Drive and they will end up in this UpdraftPlus folder. The files which will be included are plugins, themes, and uploads. So now you will have copies of your backup daily, weekly, however set up in your Google Drive. You will also have the manually created backups shown over here. Now suppose you have some issues with your WordPress website, so you needed to install WordPress again, or you're creating another website and you need to push the same WordPress website data over there, or you're cloning this website to another hosting, whatever be the reason, and you want to restore this backup, you will need all these particular files. So the database, plugins, themes, upload, other. You can download your backup files from here, or you already have them in Google Drive. So here it shows you to download to your computer. So click download. You can save this locally to your computer. Do the same for all of these plugins, themes, uploads. Now you have the backup files on your computer. Now suppose I want to restore this backup to another website. So first I'll have to install WordPress, of course. Then I need to install the UpdraftPlus plugin on that particular WordPress website. Now the files that I have of this backup, I need to upload it by using this upload backup files. So you can upload all of the backup files from your computer to this particular website. Once you have done that, you will see this backup over here as it shows the backup data as well as the restore. You want to click the restore button to restore it to this particular WordPress website. So it will overwrite everything on this WordPress website with the data that you uploaded for the database, plugins, themes, uploads, others. Click restore, you'll get the option to choose what component you want to restore. I recommend selecting all the options because you want to have it working condition, so you need all of these for the website, plugins, themes, upload, others, database. So select all of them, click next, click restore, and your restoration is in progress. And that's it, your restoration is successful using the UpdraftPlus plugin. Now for backups, you need the UpdraftPlus plugin, and it's okay to just use the free version because you can do all that you want, schedule automatic backups, even use remote storage using Google Drive for your backup. But this also comes with a premium plugin which has certain features you might be interested in. So with the premium plugin, you get more remote storage locations. You can use Microsoft OneDrive, SFTP, WebDAV, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud. So a lot of more options are there. You can automatically backup before WordPress or plugin updates, which is a very important feature. So instead of having to do this manually, it will automatically take a backup before any WordPress or plugin or theme updates. Another important feature is backup incrementally. Now when you take a backup on the free version, it backs up the entire WordPress website. So every time there is an entire copy of your website happening. But if you use backup incrementally, it only will take a backup of the files or changes that were done from the previous backup. So it makes your backups very small and efficient. You can also backup from other backup plugins using the UpdraftPlus Premium plugin. So if you have taken backups with some other plugins and you want to restore them, you can use the premium version of UpdraftPlus to have them uploaded and restored. It also has more enhanced security and encryption features and protecting your password and stuff. When it comes to pricing, the premium version will cost you $70 per year for the personal plan of up to 2 sites. There are different options available, as you can see over here. I would highly recommend you install UpdraftPlus on your WordPress website so that you can schedule automatic backups on Google Drive or any cloud storage you need. There is no reason to risk your WordPress website not having a backup plugin, because if there is any issue, you will suffer the loss of your WordPress website and then struggle to get it back. Installing a backup plugin is important, but there are several other things that you need to take care of so you can protect your WordPress website from hackers. I already created a video showing you such important steps so you can secure a WordPress website and it never has issues from hackers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.